Life, how beautiful it is, how amazing it is to be able to rise up in the morning and have that sun shine on your face rather than on your grave. What makes life so unique and so beautiful? It is beautiful because whatever you have, that you may be facing, what you may be dealing with, life is still good. Life has so many moving parts, but life is always good. Every day is a new day, another opportunities that other may not have. This life that you have been given, this life that you are temporarily holding to, this life that has been just given to you for only temporary reason, has more meaning that you can ever imagine. So many people in the world take life for granted instead of realizing that you have to take the opportunities to live it the best way you know how. Now on this journey of life, you're gonna face a significant amount of circumstances, a significant amount of challenges. You're gonna fall into the areas that you cannot understand. And maybe it's not in the position for you to understand at this moment. When you start to feel that you are in the position that you don't love your life, then shame on you, because your life is a beautiful thing and no one deserves to ruin it, and no one deserves to control it. No one deserves to steal your joy. Your life is your life, and you have the right to live it the best way you can. You must discipline yourself and take full control and responsibility for the outcome, or whatever it is that you are seeking at this moment. A goal is a dream without deadline. Goals are great, but without deadlines, they are wishes, hopes, dreams. Dreams can only come true if you get serious about them. And the first step to getting serious about your goals is to set deadline for when you must achieve it. It should be difficult enough to reach, to get you moving immediately, but realistic enough to attain. It should be struggle to attain it, but not impossible. Another way of saying it is, the person you are right now should not be able to achieve it. You'll have to grow into someone else entirely by pushing yourself in a positive way to make sure it is achieved. That is a goal. When defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and set sail once more toward your coveted goal. Defeat comes to all of us. Most of us give up. Don't be like most. When temporary defeat visits you, take responsibility. What can you do better? How can you use the failure as a lesson? How can your plan or path be clear next time round? Do not give up. Shock everyone with your persistence and staying power. Then shock them with your results the second time round. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. There are no limits to the mind except those we acknowledge.